ASPI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at ASP in Isotopies stock, yeah, I see the price just doing this type of like a triangular pattern, but just like the other way around, like a flag. Generally speaking, my previous bias looked like this. That was until I mean, I wanted to see the price give me a shift to take things up, but it did not. So I'm going to just try to shortly update this. The only thing that's going to be bullish still for me is a proper double break above this. And until we're there, you can see this currently just consolidating. And honestly, this demand zone also makes sense. So willing to buy as long as there is a shift. And if there's no shift, there is no buys for me. That's just my side of things. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. Goodbye.